Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, October 10th, and this is my analysis for the pound yen, and we're on the daily time frame. So the pound yen is turning down pretty hard at the 90% Fibonacci retracement of this whole last move down. If it is like a wave B and it's like a regular flat, then the 90% is definitely an area where it would turn. The unfortunate part is a lot of the other yen pairs to me don't really look like the move up is fittest. But maybe the pound yen is telling us the correct story, and maybe this is going to just keep on going down and start a brand new downtrend for the big wave C. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, it is obviously going down pretty strong, and the move down is definitely a trend. It's not an overlapping pattern, so it's obviously either a wave A or a wave one. And until we get a break of structure to the upside on this time frame, the wave one or the wave A is definitely active. Now it could possibly go down to like the 38% or something, then start like a wave B and then go down to the 50 and then continue the higher time frame uptrend. There is obviously a really big gap down here that hasn't been filled yet, and I think that a lot of traders are going to be trying to trade into that gap. For me personally, I don't really base my trades on gaps because yes, gaps almost always do fill, but I've seen gaps stay open for like a year before they fill sometimes. So we really can't trade based on the fact that there's a gap and that it may end up filling because it definitely will fill, but it doesn't have to fill anytime soon. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.